Now I am going to discuss the security part of the system. What do you mean by the security? As I am an admin, I can see everything in the system, but I can have any number of users and they should see only limited functionality. So if I go to the setup and if I go to the security, I have something different as security per role. For example, let us create an employee. I create an employee, new employee I am creating. I will say his name is test cashier, test salesman as an example, and login ID is for example salesman. Okay, and his role is, what I say is, he is a sales representative. That is what I am giving the role. Now I am submitting. I created a new login called new employee called salesman. You can give anything whatever you want, and his role is sales rep. Now the important point is, what is the meaning of this sales rep? So if I go to the setup and security, activities per role means what and all this sales rep can do. I should select the sales rep. What and all this sales rep can do? I say this sales rep can do his password change. This sales rep can do the sales order. Nothing else he should do it. Only these two he should do it, and he should not see anything. So I did the logout and I am doing with his login. Okay. So now what happens? See what is the end results it generates. Okay, it's getting logged in. Not sure why this is taking this much of time. Generally it should not. Yeah, something happened. Okay, I logged in. See here what happened. Okay, I can do the only sales order. I cannot see anything on the dashboard, and in setup I can see only the password change. Nothing. See, for sales rep, he don't even know what are the features that system has. Like this, you can create any number of employees and you can give specific permissions per role. This is how the security has been configured. Okay, see, this is our sales order. He can do only this much. He cannot do anything else. See, he cannot do anything. So that is how the complete system is working. Okay. So this is what the security is. Thank you.